Hi, I'm Randy with BBQGuys, and today we'll be checking out the Everdure 4K Charcoal Grill and Smoker. When designing this cooker, Everdure partnered with 3 Michelin star chef Heston Blumenthal. This grill is packed with technology and designed for precision cooking. It pairs the convenience of an oven with some well-loved features of a charcoal grill. Let's check it out. The Everdure 4K features a touch glass display on the lid of the grill. In addition to showing a precise temperature read, the digital display puts charcoal ignition at your fingertips. Simply hold the ignition button down for 3 seconds and the heating element beneath the charcoal will ignite your coals in a matter of minutes. This makes the 4K a really convenient grill to use any night of the week. The touch glass display makes it easy to view the internal temp of what you cook as well. Simply plug in the probes right here on the inside of the lid. The 4K comes with 4 temp probes and a clip to fasten one to grid level when needed. Adding even more convenience, the 4K digital display is Bluetooth connected. Keep a close eye on your grill temp and cooking progress with Everdure's app. For this smoke of a tri-tip and 2 hens, I was able to label each probe in the app and set target internal temps. It was good peace of mind to be able to check in at any point on the progress, and the app notified me as soon as the first probe hit target temp. Between the app interface and built-in ignition, Everdure makes the 4K charcoal grill about as easy to cook on as an oven. Everything got some nice even color on it, and of course you can't beat the flavor you get over charcoal. For times when you want a bit of guidance to your cook, the Everdure app is loaded with recipe guides to give you tips along the way. For nighttime entertaining, the 4K grill has a built-in interior light for a clear view of what you are grilling at any hour. The air intake of the Everdure 4K is controlled by this airflow dial. It's marked 1 through 6, allowing you to precisely set temps and replicate them on future cooks. Fine-tune your airflow further with the brushed aluminum top dial of the 4K. Its sleek design also features numbered positions, and its covered top makes it rain-resistant. The lever has this grip to prevent it from getting too hot to handle while grilling. For heat retention, the lid of the 4K locks securely shut and can be opened by pressing this button. The lid has a woven mesh gasket forming a tight seal when the grill is locked shut. This does a good job at trapping heat and smoke inside the grill. The lid and body are double-walled with insulation between, much like a home oven. The inner walls are enameled steel, and the exterior of the 4K is die-cast aluminum. Inside the Everdure 4K, there's an 18-inch diameter cooking area. The top cooking grids are made out of stainless steel for durability. In addition to this level, the 4K also includes enameled cast iron grates, which sit closer to the fire, perfect for searing. This steak got a nice crust with the cast iron grates. The 4K also comes with a cordiorite pizza stone, perfect for baking crispy pizza over the coals. This stone can also be used as a heat deflector for low and slow smoking. The stainless grids sit over the deflector, allowing you to smoke further from the fire with indirect heat. The cast iron grates are in half-moon sections for easy removal. When you need to add charcoal or wood chips while cooking, there is a fuel supply window on the right side of the grill. These included charcoal tongs make it simple to add fuel without having to remove your food or cooking grates. I enjoyed being able to spread out the coals while the cooking grids preheated and add wood chunks without any hassle. When you want to add moisture to the cooking environment, the 4K has this included water container that hangs on the side wall beneath the cooking surface. I added some beer when I smoked this tri-tip, and the end result was tender and juicy. At the bottom of the firebox, there's a stainless steel charcoal grid, which can be removed for cleaning. When needed, the entire charcoal bucket can actually be lifted out with this included handle. In the bottom of the firebox, you'll find the heating element used for ignition. It can be pivoted out of the way for easily removing any debris that collects in this pan. When it comes to storage, the 4K's electrical plug retracts into the back of the grill. The pizza stone can be stored in this slot, and there are 2 hooks at the back of the grill for keeping grill tools. The grill body stand has a storage drawer, perfect for keeping things like temp probes and the included grate gripper tool close at hand. It's worth noting, the Everdure 4K is available in several color options in addition to the graphite color we've been looking at today. When it comes to prep space in your backyard, Everdure offers a mobile prep kitchen that pairs well alongside their grills. It features built-in containers to keep ingredients close, slots to store your knives, and a multi-panel cutting board top, making it easy to rinse off whatever sections you use. The chopping area even has a cutout for tossing debris into the concealed lower trash can. This mobile prep kitchen is a nice piece of equipment to have, especially for areas where you can't build a permanent island. Thanks for watching today. If you have any questions about Everdure grills and smokers, give us a call or visit us online. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great content, and remember, at BBQGuys, we smoke the competition.